Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super important topic for all of you who are practicing intermittent fasting or thinking about starting. We're talking about 5 foods to avoid during your eating window to make the most out of your fasting journey. Let's jump right in. First up, avoid sugary beverages. Think soda, energy drinks, or even some fancy coffee shop lattes. These are loaded with sugar and can cause a massive spike in your blood sugar levels. That roller coaster effect can leave you feeling more hungry and craving even more sugar. Instead, opt for water, herbal teas, or black coffee during your fasting or eating window. Number 2, avoid highly processed junk food. Yes, those chips, fries, and fast food burgers might be tempting, but they're a no-go. They're packed with unhealthy fats, preservatives, and empty calories. Not only do they lack the nutrients your body needs, but they can also disrupt your digestion and leave you feeling sluggish. Stick with whole, nutrient-dense foods instead. Next, let's talk about artificial sweeteners. These might seem like a good idea. After all, they're calorie-free, right? But studies show that they can actually trick your body into craving more food and disrupt your gut health. So, steer clear of sugar-free sodas, low-calorie sweeteners, and other diet products. Go natural, like a bit of honey or fruit if you need a touch of sweetness. Now, this one surprises a lot of people. Fruit juices and store-bought smoothies. Even though they sound healthy, they're often loaded with hidden sugars and can cause the same blood sugar spikes we talked about earlier. If you love your juice, make it fresh and stick to low-sugar fruits like berries. And finally, number 5, refined carbs. White bread, white pasta, and pastries can cause a quick spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash, leaving you hungry and tired. Swap these out for whole grain alternatives like quinoa, brown rice, or oats to keep your energy stable. So there you have it, 5 foods to avoid during intermittent fasting. By steering clear of these, you'll support your fasting goals, maintain steady energy levels, and feel amazing throughout the day. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share with someone who's on their fasting journey. And let me know in the comments. What's your go-to fasting tip? I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, stay healthy and happy fasting.